Hi, Reading Rock Stars. I am Kinder Karma, and I am so excited that you are joining me for a sound sort. At this stage in UFLI, you have learned 8 letters and their sounds, and we can do a lot with that. So we're going to review quickly. We are going to do a sound sort like I've done with many of you before, and then stay tuned because we have some extra special games to do later. So let's go over the sounds that we have already learned. We have learned that A spells a, and every letter has an uppercase and a lowercase. We have learned that M spells m, S spells s, T spells t, P spells p, F spells f, I spells I, N spells n. Now I've got a few of these objects that I will sort into all of these different containers. We're going to start with alligator. What is that starting sound in alligator? Alligator. Yes, a. The sound is a. The letter that begins it is A. Very nicely done. Let's do fan. Fan. Listen for that beginning sound. The starting initial sound in fan is f. So I need to put that in the F bin. Let's do this one. Necklace. It's a 2-syllable word, so we really have to listen closely for that beginning sound. Necklace. Let me find the N bin. Right there. Excellent. How about sun? Sun. You are rocking these beginning sounds. Rockin' readers. Let's find the S bin is right there. Let's do turtle. It's another 2-syllable word. We really have to think back to that beginning sound. Turtle. T. And then that one goes in the T bin. Igloo. Igloo. We can stretch out that vowel sound at the beginning. Igloo. Igloo starts with I. Fish. Fish. Very nicely done. That is another F. Let's do teeth. Teeth. Excellent. T again. Pig. You are rocking this. P. P for pig. Map. I don't even have to stretch out the beginning sounds for you anymore. You are such experts. Map. Map starts with M. In this bin, apple. It's the first sound that we learned. You know that that's an A. Notebook. Notebook. N. Sandwich. Sandwich begins with S. Very good. Where is that? Very good. Ant. Remember, this is the nasal sound, so it gets a little bit tricky to hear that beginning sound because it gets pushed right through your nose. Ant. A. Very well done. Pan. Excellent. Pan. In the P bin. Mop. Mop begins with M. You guys are excellent. There's my M bin. Now, because you are so great at sorting beginning sounds, we're gonna play some more games. So I'm gonna pause this video and I'm going to create another one for you and add it on. Thank you for joining Kinder Karma. For our next game, I have some words that are made of the letters and sounds that you have learned so far. I would like you to take a moment to look at those words, because now we're not just going to be sorting letters, we're going to be sorting words. And before I tell you how I would like to sort them, I would love to hear your ideas. So go ahead and take a peek. I love the ideas that I'm hearing. I am hearing that you noticed some of these words start with the same letters. So let's sort them by their starting letters, their beginning sounds, just like we did with the objects. So let's see. These two start with the same letters. Oh, I see quite a few that have the same starting letters. This is a fun way to sort them. Okay, well, we've got lots of different groups here. Wonderful. Okay, so let's look at these words. Did I get them all sorted by their beginning sounds, their initial starting sounds? Okay, let's read them and find out. Fan, fat. They both begin with f. Pan, pat, Pam. Those all start with the same sound, p. Now wait a minute. Why are these two lowercase words, pan, pat, but Pam has a capital P at the beginning? Same sound, but it's a capital letter. Oh, right, because Pam is a name and names begin with capital letters. All right, let's look at the next column. Sat, Sam. Those both have the beginning sound S, but again, Sam has a capital S because Sam is a name. You see how this S is taller than those lowercase letters that follow it? And the lowercase s for sat is about the same size as the A. They're both short letters. Let's read the next column. Mat, man, map. Very cool. And then we have tan, tap. So those are all sorted by their beginning sounds. But I want you to try something different. I want you to try to sort them in a different way because there's not just one correct way to sort them. It depends on the category. So I want you to look at these words and see if you can sort them differently. I am loving your ideas. I'm hearing some great ideas. I'm hearing some of you say you'd like to sort them by their ending sound, the last sound. Yes, and some of you are even talking about word families already and what rhymes at the end of those words. This is so exciting. So let's see if we can sort them by their ending sounds. Okay, these both end in t, t. These both end in mm. Here's another t word. This ends with p. Ooh. Here's another t. Oh, wait, this one ends with n, n, n. Wow, now which group has the most? So these are all part of the at family. They all have the same middle and ending sound. They all have A in the middle and T at the end. These are all part of the app family. Tap, map. Those both rhyme because they have the same middle and ending sound. Sam, Pam. Look at that. They both say am. Fan, tan, pan, man. Those all rhyme. I like to sing a little song about that. The word family rhymes. The word family rhymes. Same middle and ending sound, the word family rhymes. You change the first sound, it's called the onset. Add a new beginning sound to make a rhyming word. Fan, tan, pan, man. Even though the beginning sounds change, we can still sort them in a group because they have something else in common. Thank you for sorting words with me. I started with a list like this, and I just cut them up and I sorted them with you. Thanks for your ideas. I just want to show you a couple of other fun activities that I like to do with my small groups or my centers. And you can spin around and you can build different words using those letters that you have learned. I've got the word families on the outside, so we can make fap. Is that a real word or a nonsense word? We can make map. So this just spins around and we can make some words. Then I also have this magical word making machine, and you can twist the sounds around to make new words and decide which are real words and which are nonsense words. And you can even write them onto a page and separate them by real and made-up words. Like and subscribe for more mini lessons and read-alouds.